Hey brother, Stuart Matola, men's relationship coach here. Hope you're having a great day. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how I can stay compassionate as a guy to my wife or partner when she's throwing darts at me. Okay. This is something I see a lot. So if you're in a marriage or relationship where your partner is throwing darts at you, you're getting a lot of complaints, character assassinations, or she's withdrawing, you'll want to check this out. So typically what happens is as guys, we throw our hands up. We're like, screw this. I don't want to deal with this. Or we withdraw. We hide out. We go work a lot. We kind of disappear. There are other avenues of self-protection as well. At the end of the day, this is you trying to protect yourself from the complaints, from the character assassinations, from the barbs. Okay. So that strategy is destructive to your relationship. So if you're doing that, I want you to consider the opposite. Okay. And this is what I guide my clients into. Staying fierce and staying tender. What's ferocity look like? It means I'm not going to be distracted by her complaints or barbs or character attacks. And I'm going to have a healthy boundary, like an imaginary shield in front of me to deflect those. Okay. I'm going to stay fierce to keep going after what I want, which is a relationship where there's communication, respect, and trust. And so I was working with a client recently. He was asking for his partner to have honest communication, a contained space where they could check in, speak heart to heart. But she kept telling him that she was too tired. She was too tired, working the kids. So his work was to stay persistent, to go after what he wanted. He wanted this dedicated space to have these hard conversations, a safe space, because he was sick of it just dripping into their relationship 24/7. And it was just creating a lot of distrust and destruction. So staying persistent is ferocity. Okay. Protecting yourself with an energetic shield is ferocity. Now, the tender part comes with staying curious, staying relational. Okay. So instead of taking on those barbs, okay, being a strong ass, badass man and being like, what's going on for you, babe? Staying curious. Okay. I see that you don't think I'm enough in this realm. Can you tell me more? Okay. It takes a strong guy to ask that kind of question and stay compassionate to a complaining partner. But you can do it, brother. Okay. So I want to lay out the roadmap for you with that. And part of why you can do it is when you're in that ferocity and taking responsibility for your safety, everything she says no longer becomes about you. Okay. It becomes more of a, I see that she's having that experience and she's struggling. How can I get more information to understand what's going on for her? Not so much to fix or please her, but to see if I'm barking up the wrong tree about trying to create what I want with her. So in the case of my client, it was like, sweetie, do you want to create a badass marriage or not? Okay. Piercing right through that, but staying compassionate to the fact that she's having an experience. And it's really important for you to get that experience. So again, remember, ferocity and tenderness. A badass man who can stay compassionate, loving, relational, and curious with his wife, even when he feels like she's attacking him. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, please check out links to my work below. Thanks so much for watching, brother, and have a kick-ass day. Bye.